In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage checklists in Trello with the Checklist Summary Power-Up. If you're someone who loves using Trello for organizing tasks, then you'll know how essential it is to incorporate checklists into your workflow. Checklists can break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. Let's dive in and simplify how you handle those checklists using a handy tool called the Checklist Summary Power-Up. First, take a look at the top right corner of your Trello board. You'll see a little icon that looks like a rocket ship. Go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you're opening the gateway to a variety of tools designed to enhance the way you manage tasks. Once you've clicked, look for an option that says Add Power-Ups. Power-Ups in Trello work like plugins. They're developed by third-party creators to expand Trello's functionality. They can help you customize your boards to better fit your workflow. Next, in the search bar that appears, you want to find Checklist Summary. Type it in, and when it pops up, click the Add button next to it. Now, it's normal for the Add button to transform into a Settings button after you've clicked it. You'll want to go ahead and click this Settings button. This is an essential step because here, you'll set up and authorize the Checklist Summary Power-Up to work with your Trello board. Once you've gone through the authorization process, you'll notice something new on your board. The checklist summary now has its own shortcut button at the top right. It should be easy to spot. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with an overview of all the checklists you've created across all the cards on your board. This powerful tool lets you see every checklist at a glance, without needing to hop from card to card. With this, not only can you view your checklists all in one place, but you also gain the ability to manage them more effectively. You can edit entries, sort them according to your preferences, or group related tasks together. This level of control can hugely streamline how you manage tasks and priorities. Additionally, if you need to keep records or share your checklist data, you have the option to download everything into a CSV file, and that's all you need to get started with the Checklist Summary Power-Up in Trello. It's a straightforward yet effective way to enhance your productivity by ensuring all checklists are well managed. I hope you find this tool as useful as I have. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.